Hey guys, Mike here with Atlas Room Repair. Going to be working on a Porsche this morning. It stormed last night, so it splattered dust all over this wheel. So let's clean the lip up. And you can see there's a little bit here, but most of the damage is right here. That is pretty deep, so I'm going to hit that with the grinder first. Just the red disc, take most of the damage out, and then I'll switch to the sander. Yeah, I think the red disc will be fine for this. Well, I'm getting set up. If you wouldn't mind hitting that like and subscribe button, I'll get to working on this shortly. All right, I'm just gonna get most of the damage out with the red disc, and then I'll hit it with the sander, probably just with the 320 grit, and then it'll be ready for paint. I'll go ahead and hit this with the 320 on the sander. Just getting out the grinder scratch marks and kind of reshaping the wheel where it has flattened it out. On these Porsche, the lip of the wheel and the tire are so tight, if there's damage in here, you really can't get the sander in there. So luckily it's black, so it doesn't really show. Sometimes it does, nothing you can do about it. All right, then we'll take our 1500 grit scuff pad. These are linked in the description below. I use these all the time. Also, I'm going to link the exact paints I use, those will all be available shortly. Every single color that I stock will be available in the links below. And it's enough to do just about everything. Some colors I don't do, golds, reds. It's not something that's very common, so I don't stock them, so I don't do them. Let's go ahead and shoot the black paint on here. And we'll cover that with clear coat.